Hello everybody, it's Charlene. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing something that is a little bit different. I did a video of a eye look. I'm only going to do it on one side, there's a reason, with an eye look that I did from Raw Beauty Christie, and I'll show you it. This look right here, the eye look, and people actually did like it. I liked it as well. It's from Raw Beauty Christie. So I know I used a lot of drugstore products then, but I'm going to bring you closer because we're going to do the eyes first. So I brought you closer, so we're going to just do one eye. So what am I going to do? I'm going to do this eye just because I don't know why I'm just starting doing. And the first thing you need to start off is some concealer. Now, I haven't primed or nothing like that, but I'm going to use some concealer, which is just going to be the Revolution Conceal and Defined. I'm just going to do that on the one. You can do this look on both eyes, but for the time being, I'm just going to be using a concealer. Just blend this in because I just need to work from a blank canvas. As you can see, I'm just working from a blank canvas, and then I need to set that with a little bit of powder, just to set it in place. And now we're going to tape it to, so I normally take out big pieces of tape for some reason. I'm just going to put it around about here. It's a long piece of tape, I know. And first of all, we're going to start with crease colours. A blue, it was like a matte blue that you're supposed to put in the eye, but I didn't have a matte blue. I had a glittery blue. What I did is I used this colour in here, which is a glittering. Put that into the inner corner and just buffed it. So what you need to do is it works, you can get a matte blue or a matte aqua or a matte greeny blue. This was colour here, it's just a blue like that. It's just like a very kind of nice blue. Put that into the crease and put a little bit at a time. So I do kind of mix it a bit and just put that into the crease. You need to go above your crease and use this colour as well. It is a shimmery colour, but it did actually work out really well. Okay, so that is what we got so far. And then once it's done, you get a brown colour, which I took from the first palette I got it from was the Ultimate Chaos palette, Ultimate Colour Chaos palette, and the other one I'm going to use is Stripped Bare. And taking that same brush, I took this brown right here, which just that brown right there, and I put that, I joined it with the blue. Okay, so just join them. So that is what I got so far. As you can see, it does look a bit crazy, but it does work itself out in the end. Okay, so once you got this, you're going to take a brush to cut your crease with and take some concealer. I just took any concealer will do. So what I'm going to do is now to cut your crease. It is going to be a little bit strange, but it does work out. So what you need to do is just go into the bottom, okay, look up, and where you've looked up is gonna be your kind of moment. So it's just something that looks like that. You need to set that down with some powder, and you just go with the white shade all over the lid. Just go with the white shade. So you've got this. Looks a bit strange, I know, but it does work out. Then you're gonna take an eyeliner, and any eyeliner will do, and I'm going to take the Revolution one. I think I took the Steeler one, I believe, but I'm taking this one, and you just need to draw a wing. Once you got that, may look a little bit crazy, I know, but then you get a brush, an eyeliner brush, or one of these brushes. You can use a flat brush or your eyeliner brush. I'm going to take the I Love Makeup London Makeup Geek from Revolution as well. And I'm going to take this colour right here, this glittery blue colour, and you're going to stamp that on the eyeliner. So I'm just going to stamp it. Bring you closer of what it actually looks like. This is the eye look. As you can see, it's still looking really good. Is what I created. I will put a picture around about here. What I created for that. So that is what I basically done. Now the second part of this is going to be something that Nikki Tutorials did. I did quite a while ago. right there. And Nikki Torres did that, and she got it from, the original was from Orlan Nicole and Romaine Jude Toulouch. One's based in the UK and the other is based Texas, I believe. But yeah, Nikki Torres created something like this. So I'm going to recreate that. I already got my eye. So next we need primer. So I'm just going to prime the side where I'm going to basically prime where I need to prime. So I'm just going to prime, you only need to prime 1/2 of your face, and that's it. This primer that I've used is Revolution, and it gets tacky, really tacky. I'm just going to use the foundation coverage, which I'm going to try again because I didn't really like it, but I need to kind of try and give it a go. So I'm just going to brush it in. So next is concealer. Put concealer on. I'm going to powder the face using a big powder brush. Runs up the face using probably Huda Line just to get it really good. So I'm just going to bronze up the forehead, which is what I need to do, but this does. And then I'm going to do contour, which is contouring my face up. Then I'm going to use a brush blush, which I'm just going to use the brush I did for the bronzer. I'm going to use the California, which just packs up a lot of pigment. Then highlight, just make sure that's on. Right, then I need my brows, which my brow products is the easiest thing in the world. It's this brow product by P Primark, which I love. Then it's the lips, and then we can move on to this eyebrow. Next we need to glue this eyebrow down, which I hate sometimes. So glue it down, like glue it, and thing it, like put all the hairs up to to basically make sure they get stuck down. Is I put some concealer on top of it. And then I powder. I'm just put some concealer on top of this. Because if I don't put concealer and powder, you're just gonna like see it probably. Like, it's not a good look. So I'm just gonna press this in there. That is the best brow that I've ever blocked out, including the one that I did for thingy. So next it's now to face paint. And I'm just using my face paint that I used and a brush. But first of all, I use a smaller brush down, and then make sure it goes on here. Then we're going to take a thing and just block out everything here. So when you hold something there, it just looks like it's kind of spraying. Then we use an eyeliner, and we're gonna outline all the stuff that we kind of didn't do. So a little bit under the eye requires a steady hand. Okay, steady hands. As I said, steady hands. And then you use a little bit here as well. Right here. And then under. And then your jaw. And that is completed look. You can put setting spray if you want. But I thought that this is a really good idea. So what you would need is kind of like a spray bottle. And kind of spray. And you kind of get this. Get close up what it looks like. I think it is actually a good idea, but yeah, this is the completed 2 parts of what I did with my eye and with this. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.